Rocking M Studios presents a Mead Steel production. Cooking with Friends, Campfire Dutch Oven Chicken, with your host, Boyd Reynolds.
Welcome to Cooking with Friends. Today we're going to give you the down and dirty recipe for Campfire Dutch Oven Chicken. There's not a lot of ingredients in this recipe, but like the name suggests, you will need a campfire, and a Dutch oven, and, well, a chicken. We'll post a link to the full recipe in the comments below, but let's take a quick look at what we have here. In addition to one whole chicken, you will need a whole pineapple, a large red onion, one bunch of celery, olive oil, bone-sucking sauce steak rub. Yes, I said steak rub. We put this bleep on everything. And Guy Fieri's Flavortown Honey Barbecue Sauce. The Glenlivet is optional, and for those over 21 only. This dish is a go-to if you want to impress when camping with friends, or if you need to feed the family on a Saturday night at camp. First thing to do, open the wrapping, remove the giblets, and rinse your chicken. Keep your mind out of the gutter, please. When your chicken is rinsed, pat it down with paper towels to thoroughly dry it, inside and out. And when done, cover it with a towel and set it off to the side. Next up, grab that beautiful fresh pineapple you picked up at the market and cut it into a cube, roughly large enough to stuff up your chicken's ass. Take the towel off of your chicken that you set aside while cutting your pineapple and pat your bird down with paper towels once more. When finished, stuff your pineapple cube inside the chicken. Cover your chicken and set it aside once more. Next, peel your large red onion and cut it into quarters. Place the onion quarters in your Dutch oven, arranged so your chicken can sit on top. Rinse your celery and chop it into large pieces. Place the cut celery in your Dutch oven, adding to the platform your chicken will sit on. Now that your Dutch oven is ready, return your attention to the chicken and rub it with olive oil. Apply a liberal amount of bone-sucking sauce steak seasoning onto your chicken and lightly rub it around the bird. Be sure every part gets the love from the rub. Place your well-rubbed chicken on the onion and celery platform you made in your Dutch oven. Add 2 sticks of butter as shown, 2 cups of water, and cover. When your campfire has been burning a while and has given you a nice bed of coals, it's time to get your Dutch oven chicken cooking. Scrape some of your coals off to the side of your fire and place your Dutch oven on the coals. Use a small shovel to drop some of the coals on the lid of your Dutch oven as well. Cooking temperature can be difficult to monitor when cooking on an open fire, but the water in your Dutch oven will prevent scorching your vegetables and drying out your bird. I recommend checking the internal temperature of your chicken after a half hour, and then again each 10 minutes or so. When the internal temperature of your chicken is at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit and already looks good enough to eat, remove from the coals and get out your Guy Fieri's Flavortown Honey Barbecue Sauce. Spread a liberal amount of barbecue sauce over your chicken, cover, and return your Dutch oven to the coals for 10 more minutes. The extra cooking time will give the barbecue sauce a chance to marry with all those other flavors. And I promise, your chicken won't dry out. After the required 10 more minutes, remove the Dutch oven from the fire and get ready to meet a beautiful sight. Remove the chicken from the Dutch oven, pull out the pineapple, cover your bird with foil, and let it rest for 15 minutes. Carve, serve, and enjoy, then sit back and bask as the compliments roll in.